Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Savita Pujari. I'll be teaching you English, and in today's session, we'll be learning about the worth of a fabric. Now, what do you mean by fabric? Fabric is a material made through weaving or knitting. It is made specially from clothing. For example, denim is the fabric used to make jeans. Now, whatever clothes we are wearing daily, it is made up of fabric, and many people are behind this. Farmers, the weavers, the tailor, and at last we get a ready made dress and we wear it. So you should always respect such people who are behind it. The same way, in our lesson, there is a great Tamil saint poet named Thiruvalluvar who lived more than 2000 years ago. Thirukural is a book of his teachings. He was greatly loved and respected by people. Now, Thiruvalluvar was a textile weaver. He and his wife used to weave the fabrics, beautiful fabrics and saris, and they used to take that fabrics and sell it in the market. People used to call him a saint person. He was very humble man. He used to never get angry. He used to never use bad words. He never shouted at anyone. So he was such a humble person. But in that same town, there lived a rich young man who was wasting his time just roaming around along with his friends and often made fun of other people. So he told one day to his friends, "I don't believe what these people are telling about Thiruvalluvar, that he never gets angry and all. So let go and meet him." And he said, "Let's have some fun today." So that arrogant young man approached Thiruvalluvar in the market. He picked up a beautiful piece of fabric and he asked, "How much does this whole fabric cost?" 8 coins. The saint named the price. The young man unfolded the fabric and tore it into 2 pieces. And then again he asked, "What's the price of this piece now?" He said, 4 coins. He answered very politely. The youth was taken aback. He thought that Thiruvalluvar will get angry because he tore off the fabric. But Thiruvalluvar was very calm and quiet. He was thinking, the young man was thinking, why doesn't this man get angry? Then again he tore off the half pieces. "Now how much is the price?" he asked. 2 coins was the answer. Now the young man became himself very impatient. He tore the pieces half again, and he went on saying the price. Thiruvalluvar calmly went on reducing the price to half every time. But at last, what happened to the fabric? After cutting into reducing many times, now it became a rag, just a small piece of torn cloth. So Thiruvalluvar said in a quiet tone, "Now this fabric has become worthless because it is of no use. It is just turned into a rag, a small piece of cloth. I will not name any price for these rags." The young man did not know what to say. Now he was very proud of his richness. So he removed 8 coins and gave it to Thiruvalluvar. But Thiruvalluvar smiled and he refused to take the money. "Young man, now this fabric is of no use, so I cannot sell it to you because it is of no use. It has become worthless. No one will be able to wear it. And at last Tiruvallavar said, do you know, the fabric was not made in one day. It took such a long time, and to tear it off, it takes a few seconds. Many people have toiled to make it, have worked hard behind it to make that fabric. The farmer who grew cotton in his field worked hard for months in sun, in hot sun, in rains. Then he picked cotton from each ball and gave it for spinning. And then someone else, the other person, carded the cotton, and carded means it cleaned the cotton, removed the seed out of the cotton and spun it into a thread. And these threads were then dyed carefully into different lovely colors. And my wife and I wove the threads together, putting in beautiful designs. And we made such a beautiful fabric, so that we thought that someone else will be very happy to purchase it and to wear it. Then all our hard work will be rewarded, because the person who purchased it became very happy seeing at the fabric, seeing at the cloth. And when you destroyed the fabric, you destroyed all the love, the labor that went into making it. Money cannot bring it back. Can you? No. The softly spoken words touched the young man's heart, and he felt really ashamed of himself. Students, it is very easy just to tear off anything. If some person has gifted you something and you did not like it, you just throw it off or you just tear it off. And you don't think behind that gift, what are the feelings, what are the emotions of that person, how much time he wasted to search for a gift for you. Tiruvalluvar went on to say that I can weave another fabric like this, but our life is like this fabric. If you tear it apart with hasty means in a hurry, without thinking anything, thoughtless, with anger you destroy, your life will also be destroyed. No one will be with you, and you will not get it back again. So these words of Tiruvallavar opened the young man's eyes, and he decided to give up his idleness and bad habits from that day, and he turned into a good man. So from this lesson you come to know the patience, the humbleness of Tiruvallavar turned a lazy man, or turned a bad man into a good man. And you also came to know the worth of the fabric, the worth of the cloth which you all are wearing it, the dresses which you all are wearing it. So always respect the people, those who are behind it. I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.